Welcome to your morning meditation. Just taking a moment to find a comfortable seat. Your legs are crossed, or you're sitting up in the chair, or you may still be laying in bed. As you find your seat, just taking a beautiful deep breath in. Just feeling the body rise with the breath in. And then as you exhale out, just imagine that you're blowing through a straw. Take a few more breaths in this same way, so a beautiful inhale in through the nose, and a slow exhale out of your mouth, and your lips are pursed like you're blowing out through a straw. And as you're exhaling out, just letting go of any stale air that's inside your body, and then just visualizing breathing in beautiful oxygenated air all the way down into your lungs, softening your belly. Just taking a moment to imagine the rays of the sunshine kissing your skin, just expanding through the crown of your head, down into your body, feeling that sunlight all the way down in towards your toes. And with each breath in and exhale out, just imagining your body filling up with this beautiful, warm, bright light, and then it's energizing every single cell into your body and bringing you really good energy for the day. And as you're exhaling out, just noticing your body relax. Just visualizing the warmth of the sun on your face. Just really feeling the warmth of those rays, introducing your body into the new day. Now just repeating these intentions inside your mind. I feel energized. I feel healthy. I feel energized. I feel healthy. I feel energized and I feel healthy. Just being here in this space. Today I feel energized. Today I am full of life. Today I am open to anything that comes my way. Today, I have a smile on my face. Today, I welcome the most beautiful day. Today, I feel joy. Today, I feel grateful. Today I am learning. Today I am creating. Today I am contributing. Today is going to be a good day. Today, I support myself. Today, I feel free from any worry. Today, I feel peaceful. I am strong. I am happy. I am grateful. I am open to possibilities. Just taking a moment to allow these affirmations to sink deeper into your mind. Today, I'll set the intention to move with purpose, to consider my thoughts, to consider how I turn up, to consider the energy that I bring into this new day, and to rest when my body needs it. May you be strong. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you live with peace today. And remember, when we wake up every morning, we have a choice of how we frame our day. Upon waking, if we can train the mind into more of a positive lens and truly believe that today will be a great day, that today is a beautiful day, that today has so much opportunity. And by implementing these affirmations and intentions Just taking notice of how your world starts to change. Taking a beautiful deep breath in here through the nose. Slow exhale out of your mouth. There's a little smile on your lips. And then just very gently opening your eyes. Have a beautiful day.